When you're rolling in a Jeep Gladiator, nothing kills the vibe faster than having to yank off freedom panels, stash them somewhere, and pray the weather doesn't flip on you. Flip-tops fix all that. Fast open-air freedom without the hassle. Today, we're checking out the best flip-tops for the Gladiator. And yeah, all the product links are sitting right there in the video description. The Easy Flip-Top brings serious convenience for Gladiator owners who want instant overhead freedom without juggling panels in the back seat. It flips and locks in seconds, and reviewers rave about how secure and leak-free it stays. The no-drill install with heavy-duty 3M very high bond tape is clutch, though bolting it in gives you that lifetime leak guarantee. Rubber bumpers protect your panels, and it works on both smooth and textured factory roofs. Simple, quick, and rock solid. Exactly what Jeep folks love. Next is the ZTOP Flip-Top, which keeps things lightweight and super practical with its patented roll-up design. You just flip it, roll it, and boom! Fresh air without pulling off any hardtop panels. Owners love that it stays bone dry even at freeway speeds, and it handles everything from heavy rain to dusty trails. The pre-assembled hardware makes installation a breeze, and you even get a free mesh sunshade plus a 3-year warranty on the vinyl. Solid for year-round use and wicked convenient. And now, the Bestop Sunrider. Pretty much the legend of the category. This one flips back in seconds and gives you wide-open sky without ever stepping outside the vehicle. It installs in under 30 minutes with no drilling and no weird modifications. Reviewers love how versatile it is. Winter, summer, rain, whatever, you're covered. The fabric on frame assembly comes pre-installed, and the black diamond material holds up great over time. If you want a premium feel with that classic Bestop refinement, this one's hard to beat. So there you have it, 3 killer flip-top options that'll seriously upgrade your Gladiator. Whether you want the beefiest mount, the quickest rollback, or the cleanest premium design, there's something here that'll fit your style. All the links to these products are waiting in the video description, and if you dug this breakdown, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new review.